Welcome to another Temecula home tour. Hello everyone, this is Netta Yegan with Jason Mitchell Group, and fair warning, I lost my voice filming this. So you're getting the polished version today. We are up at Altair, sitting right above Old Town Temecula, and I spent the day touring Waypoint, Brookfield new 3-story single family collection. Please hit like and subscribe and stick with me till the end. I have included the pricing and other information that's important. All right, let's start with Model 2. We are inside Model 2. As you can see on the main floor, there is a living area. It's pretty large size. There is a powder room, a two-piece bathroom right off on the side, and a coat closet right there for as you walk in. You can hang your jackets and so on and so forth. Through the glass door, there is a side yard. It's pretty small, but there is, if you have a pet, you can go outside. And let's go check out the upstairs. On the second floor, as we walk up the stairs, there is a bathroom. It's a full bath right in front of you. As you can see, nice cabinetry. We walk into the kitchen on the right hand side. It's a pretty spacious kitchen with large island, dishwasher, farm sink. There is your electric stove, beautiful backsplash. Really great finishes at this model. Microwave is right above the stove, and there are some cabinets with glass insert. Okay, let's go and see what's on the other side. So there is a pantry, of course. Let's check it out. And there's a bedroom right off of the kitchen. Closet to the right hand side. Nice, airy, lots of light inside this bedroom. And I love the light fixtures as well. It's really pretty finishes. And there's your patio off of the kitchen. So perfect for having your morning coffee, or let's say you're cooking dinner and you're tired. Hey, you can take a break if you're preparing a crazy large meal. Just kidding. You can do what you like to do. So let's move away from this kitchen. All right, there is your breakfast area or space for your dining room table. And as you can see, there's a large space for family room. There is a large sectional right there. And let's go to the third floor on this beautiful home. Let's go see what's here. So as we walk up, there is your primary bedroom right there. It's really spacious. Finishes are great. We walk into the primary bathroom, double sink, nice large closet, excuse me, and your stand-in shower, walk-in shower, whichever you want to call it. There's a separate toilet and double sinks. The tile work, the flooring, everything was really beautiful on this model, and it wants you want to move in. It's so pretty. And also wanted to point out the view. You could see those are the Deleuze Mountains. There's construction going on, of course, at the time. Wondering if I don't think they're gonna put any homes on that corner, but you see the mountains as really pretty. So moving away from the primary, there is a closet right in front of you, linen closet, that is, for all your towels and sheets and so on and so forth. Laundry room to the right, pretty spacious, with some cabinets up top. Bedroom number 3. There we go, beautifully decorated. Lots of air, again, lots of light. And there is a Jack and Jill bathroom connecting to bedroom number 4. There you go. There's a full view of the bath, and we're walking into bedroom number 4. And this one is model number 2. Pricing for this one is included at the end of the video. I will post it right there. It's starting from $730,000. So we are going to model number 3. This one is 1 square feet smaller, however, it's more money. So let's see why. As you walk into the kitchen. The main living area is on the main floor. Same layout, beautiful kitchen. You see the stairs going up on the side. There is your room for your dining table. This island's pretty large, and you can definitely seat quite a few people on it. There is a large sectional, and there's your 2-piece, yes, I'm right, 2-piece powder room for your guests, and access to the garage. These homes all come with solar. As you know, the new construction has solar. So we are on the 2nd floor now. Let's see what's going on here. Walking down the hallway, there is your laundry room. And we are walking into the primary bedroom. Again, very spacious, lots of light, and primary bathroom, and walk-in shower, your primary closet, pretty spacious, double sink, nice finishes. Again, that beautiful view of the mountains. Okay, walking to the bedroom number 2. This one is a nursery. It's really nice, beautifully decorated. All right, there's your nursery. And so that was bedroom number 2. Some more storage. And this door was locked, but this is bedroom number 3. And this one's bedroom number 4. For some reason, I wasn't able to open up that door. I don't know what's going on, but there's your bathroom with double sink. There we are. And that was the 2nd floor for this beautiful home. And there is one more floor to see. Okay, this is 3rd floor. As we walk up, there is auxiliary living space. That is another living space. It's pretty big. You saw that big TV. You see the big sectional that everything fits in there. Really nice finishes. And there's a great outdoor patio, outdoor space to sit and enjoy the beautiful view of the mountains. As I said, this location is ideal. It's very close to the freeway, to the Old Town Temecula. And this is that last space. It's an office. It doesn't have a closet. So, they can't call it a bedroom, but this space is there. And it's very functional. All right, and there is your 2-piece bathroom. This one was plan number 3. Pricing on this one is starting from $758,000 and $781,000. And it's 2,233 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2 powders, bonus room, flex room. And we are walking into plan number 1, which is 1,998 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, 2 covered decks, and pricing starting at $702,000, $765,000. So this is the main floor. As you walk in, what do we have? We have a bedroom on the main floor, which is nice. All right, let's see. Is that the garage? No. And there's a full bath on the main floor along with that bedroom and a side yard or a small backyard, whichever you want to call it. All right, let's see what's on the second floor. As we walk up, we entering the kitchen on the right hand side and a large living area. Again, with the sectional, you see there's a lot of room on the family room here. Beautiful kitchen. Again, a huge island. You can put chairs and utilize it as a table even. And you do have a separate dining area for this one as well. I love the backsplash. The finishes are just beautiful. And there's a pantry for your extra groceries. And as I was saying, there's a space for your dining room table to be put over there. So, all right, this one has a patio as well. Okay, right there. I was looking for it. Again, off of the kitchen, you do have a patio for your morning coffee and a very functional kitchen. The island was big and lots of cabinets for everything. And then there's your second patio, covered patio off of the living area, which is nice as well. And a two-piece bathroom on that main living area. All right. Let's go to the third floor and see what's going on over there. As we walk up, there's some cabinetry. You walk into the primary bedroom. Beautiful finishes again. There is the primary bathroom, separate toilet, double sink again, and a shower. And I was wondering if I have to find out if there's an option for a bathtub, if somebody would like to have the bathtub. Closets are separate here on this model, completely separate from the bathroom on the other side, as you can see. And right behind the door, there is an auxiliary closet, which is nice. You have other stuff, or, you want to use the other closet, there's an option. More cabinets on the side and laundry room to the right hand side. All right, and this is another bathroom. It's a full bath. And bedroom number 3 is over here. Really nice finishes. Then that's your bedroom number 4. Again, this is just shy of 2,000 square feet. Really nice layout. Beautiful homes all together. This community is being built, and as I said, there are parks. There's a beautiful clubhouse, tennis court, I believe pickleball court, and all the amenities. And here's a little view of that small yard. As you can see, it's got the AC unit on the side. I guess it's one AC unit for all 3 levels. It must be an efficient one. And there's a little doghouse for your pet if you happen to have a little one. And that's it. Gate to the front. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. And this is Neda Yegan. I am your local realtor.